Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today I'm going to unbox something exciting and it's gonna improve this channel video quality, and that's it, a GoPro 10. So I never had one of these. I think it's a GoPro Hero 10 Black. So yeah, here we have few things: 8x slow-mo, data overlays, time warp, 1080p live streaming, that's good, super photo, HDR, another photos, uploads automatically to the cloud, webcam mode ready. So it has a 10-meter water resistant, 5K, a GP2 processor. I don't know what that means. So here's what is in the package, few things. So let's open it. Oh. That is some papers, probably warranty for our country. Yep, and that. Here it is. It's a nice box, travel box. Let's see it. Yes, this looks awesome. So here we have App Store, some questions, some stickers. Great, nice. Some manuals, I need to check them later in most of the languages. So here's the USB Type-C power cable. Here's a curved mounting plate, battery, a tightening screw, and a helmet mounting plate. This looks like awesome. Here's the camera. It's in some of the paper protecting wrap. Okay, so that's it. That's that. Looks really nice. So let's do a satisfying thing. Yes, and here. That's so satisfying. Yes, so here's the mounting system. Yeah. Nice. That's awesome. So yeah, that's the GoPro. The next video we're gonna show the capabilities, I hope. I think I will need to learn a lot of new stuff with this. Anything down there? No? I will get this back. So I have another thing. Okay. This one is here. Here. This battery. And this. Because I will get them back in. So, because I know that for filming channels I will need more stuff, I bought a camera accessories. So, it's a big package. So let's see what is in the first bag. Okay, this is the body mounting for your chest mount. Here's like a accessories bag to put your accessories in. Looks very nice. So the next bag, I think this is hand mount for your camera. So one. And the next one, let's see. Okay, this is probably for diving. Yeah, this is for diving, so that your camera can't go missing underwater. And also another screw for tightening it up. Next we have a selfie stick for GoPro. It's pretty long. Oh damn. Yeah. I also have a mounting to have it on the mount to mount it on the whatever tripod. So the next one, okay, this is the clip. I think it's the clip. Oh, it's where it has a hard how do I say, spring in it, so that's kind of cool. Next one we have, what is this? I can't tell. Oh, this is the headband or helmet band mount. Put it on head. We're gonna try some driving views with this also. Next, few the mounting sockets, or how do you say that? So this is the most important one for me. Here. So this one is for mounting it on the car or on the windshield of the train or whatever I want to do with it. This is the most essential one I need right now. Here's probably another clip for helmet, and that's one of the same, so I have few of them. There's more stuff. So okay, this is probably a bike mount. Yeah, it is. Yeah, mounting on the bike. Another one probably for extending or make it on a different angle. Another one, and the screw. Another one for helmet, and another one of that. Okay, another. Okay, this is another curved mounting. Maybe this is good for your helmet. You can put it on through your helmet. That's cool. Oh, I'm moving the camera. So what is this? So this is, I don't know, cleaning supply, probably cleaning pads. another screws and bolts, and yeah, yep, that's great. Another strap. I will not open the strap, so I don't know what is this. Probably a key, a tool for tidying up to hold the nuts and to tie the screw. So here is, I don't know what is this, but here are some stickers like glues. Another helmet or something like that. Another one. Here are the mounting plates that you can use, and also a lot of double-sided tape to mount them. And the last one, oh, that's kinda another plate, and that's it. So that's it for now. I will make a good video. I hope it's gonna make this channel better in quality. I will do something a lot more with the car also. I'm also gonna try to put more drive cab view videos with this mounting plate, so it's not going to be dependent on me, and I can tell my friends to film it for me. So yeah, so for the next time, enjoy life, explore, and yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.